way to Florida. Pensacola, Florida. Hudzy, what do you think? Wee-oo. That's what you think? So today we are driving to North Platte, I don't know, Nebraska. So it's a 9-hour and 30-minute drive. We have 8 hours and 43 minutes to go. So, should be not gonna be too far. When I left him, I'm feeling like ooh, and then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana, my heart is in Havana, Havana, oh na na. Oh dang. Rip the DJI. Oh no. Guys, we were planning on having the best video ever of us going through all these 11 states. But, yeah, it decided to crash into a, what was it? The telephone pole wires and then hit a semi. And the semi was going well over 65 miles an hour. And I'm pretty sure he just thought it was like a bird or something, but that was not a good little... We're a little sick to our stomachs because it's still fresh on the mind and brain, so... How do you feel?
Very sad.
Look at this, guys. Nothing left of it. The battery's even gone. Luckily, we saved the footage, so that's good. Got some... I'm really surprised it actually like survived this much, but when I saw it get hit by the semi, I was like, and then I looked over at Court and he was outside. I wish I had that footage because that was more funny than I can even like explain.
But we're in Nebraska.
We're in Nebraska. And we're not going to get there until 10 o'clock. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of footage that we got because it took us like 3 hours to get all of that. We could be at our hotel like hours ago. So...
Okay, you're rambling.
Okay, goodbye. See you in a little bit. Puffer bowl.
This is gonna be some wet wood. Oh, it's not a very long one.
This is the greenest place ever. We're almost to Mobile. I don't know how you say it. Mobile, Alabama. And we've got 2 hours left until we make it to Pensacola! Our new home. So fun. Oh, it's been a long drive. Long. Maybe we'll go find a beach today or something. We can't move into our place until the 28th. We thought we were moving in on the 25th, so we're just gonna be hanging, figuring out what to do up until then. So yeah.
literally dripping, and my eyeliner is just dripping. So I'm gonna redo my makeup in a minute, but I want to show you guys our little hotel that we're staying in. It's so big and it's freaking amazing. Okay, so when you walk in, there's like a little kitchen. Like, we didn't realize how big it was, and I was like, oh, they don't have a bed. So they've got this room, just like a lounge room, a little deck out there. Then go here. There's bedroom and bunk bed. Keep going. There's a whole area to get ready, and another area to get ready. A shower. My outfit. Coco. So it's like huge, and then another deck. Like, we thought this was just like a standard room. I mean, it's not like fancy, but it's like a big area.
Having so much fun, I think I'm going to do. We're going to keep on riding.